TOPXGUN launches the new agriculture drone FP400 with payload upgrade, efficient operation, stable and durable features. It adopts lockable design, a limited high-strength frame to achieve quick assembly and disassembly. It is convenient transition and deeply meet the needs of customers for multi-scenario operations. There are 3 version configuration in spray mode, dual centrifugal nozzles, 4 centrifugal nozzles, pressure nozzles. It has special wind pressure centrifugal nozzles, integrating the advantages of centrifugal nozzles and pressure nozzles. Dual risk design, rotating at high speed. Centrifugal nozzles have good atomization. Adjustable particle size, max flow rate 5 liter per minute for single nozzle, and atomization range 80 micrometers to 300 micrometers. FP400 with 4 centrifugal nozzles won't turn around when changing lines. It is the best choice for orchard and field operations. Pressure spraying with 12 nozzles and 8-meter spray width. Strong penetration, anti-drift is the best for grain crop field. FP400 is economical, durable, and easy to maintain. FP400 agricultural drone adopts a new generation of 55 liters high-speed spreader with 6 outlets. The spreading speed is increased by 100%. Roller feeding speed reaches 100 liters per minute. The sowing width reaches 5 to 7 meters. Sowing uniformity is much higher than the national standard. Air jet sowing, no damage to seeds, no damage to machine, no waste. FP400 agriculture drone adopts new remote control with 7-inch high-definition large screen, integrated mapping kit, which brings a new operating experience and provides a wide operating field of view. The screen is clearly visible under sunlight, and the battery works for 8 hours, which mean all-day operations. FP400 has a lot of functions. For example, intelligent breakpoint, power saving and efficient, independent planning of sweeping routes, no leaks and high-power charger. A battery can be fully charged in about 10 minutes. 2 battery with 1 charger supports no-stop working. FP400 adopts phased array radar. The aircraft can effectively detect obstacles at a distance of 40 meters and bypass them autonomously. It ensures flight safety with 5-beam ground orientation radar and front-rear 720p HD camera. Mapping field with drone is more convenient with removable rear camera. It supports auxiliary point mapping, continuous multiple plot planting. Boundary dotting can be done in any order. It can be washed and cleaned directly after operation with IP67 protection, which is easy to maintain with modular design. 90% parts can be repaired by 1 set of tool. This is the new agriculture drone of TOPXGUN FP400. Worry-free and efficient. Strength to create a bumper harvest.